Morning, everyone. This is Kat, and I'm coming to you from my balcony in North Vancouver. And I came across Bad Dog Bakery this morning. I'm so excited to tell you about it. It's a tiny little bakery off of McKay Avenue, and I love their packaging. Little dog paws. I got in line, only one person per store, and I got this wonderful cinnamon bun. I love the little venue. They have a sea can with a rooster painted on it, and they grind their own flour. So loving that. It comes from Saskatchewan. Let me give a little taste here. Okay, don't tell my mom, but almost as good as hers. Let me try their coffee. Yeah, tasty. Now, I talked to their owner, Vadim. He's from Russia. He took his training in baking in Germany and France. Now, I bought some bread. Again, little dog paws. They must have a big ass dog. Now, let's look at their whole grain bread. Beautiful. I almost don't want to cut it, but let's give it a try. Here's my bread knife from Paderno. Love it. Can you hear that? I know it's noisy here where I am on Marine Drive, but okay. Oh, I can tell already it's got that chewy texture. I have to help it along a little. Okay, look at that. Beautiful, full of seeds. You can see it's got sunflower seeds and some oats and little flax seeds. Just gonna take a little piece of bread. If you have a good piece of bread, you don't need anything on it. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Got a close up on this. Yeah. Chewy on the inside. They have a firewood oven. And all that crunchiness, brownness on the outside. Delish. You can't do this at home. Well, maybe you can if you have a firewood oven, but definitely worth seeing. They're only allowing one person in the store at a time, so I had to talk really quickly with my interview, so I don't hold up the line. There's really nowhere to eat, so there's an outdoor patio, but it doesn't belong to them, so that's the only downside, so that you can't sneak in and get some more. But other than that, definitely worth seeing, and I do think they have a very strong following. So on to the next wonderful place, and don't let the pandemic hold you back. They said that they had a very strong following and all their customers supported them through the pandemic, so they're not going anywhere. So that's all for now. Have a beautiful day. Bye. Yeah, good coffee.